Okay, so the only way I can explain what's going on is by recording it. So let's see if anybody can help me. It is absolutely freezing in this house. If you look at the thermostat, it's below 70, but this little dial is at 80. And it's totally on heat, and it's on auto. So it is on. It's not off. I'll move it to the right even more, and it won't kick on. But if I open the doors, then it'll turn on. Watch. So I have to keep doing that at night. And now the heater will go on. So can anybody help me figure out what's going on? Okay. Call me, text me, or Facebook me. Thank you. Oh, there it goes. You heard it.